Hello everyone, we have another backlink that you can use to improve the strength of your website if it's related to books, literature, art, education, schools, etc. As the link is from a page in this category. It's from the website Babelcube.com, which has a domain authority of 51 and a page authority of 54. And the link is Dofollow, so it's really good. As always, we remind you that you can register for free in our SEO community to exchange links on Prolynken.com. We'll be waiting for you inside. What is the Babelcube website about? Babelcube is a platform that connects authors, translators, and publishers to create and distribute translated books worldwide. Authors can find translators for their works, while translators earn royalties from each sale. It offers a global marketplace for books in different languages, facilitating international collaboration. This is a general summary of the website, although it doesn't matter to us, as what we want is to put a link in their profile. So I'll show you how to add a Dofollow link to your profile. As always, we register with an email and password. Then we confirm the registration from the email that arrives in our inbox. Once the registration is confirmed, we can edit our profile on Babelcube. There are a few fields we need to fill in. In the biography section, we add a text of about 30 or 40 words. Further down, there's a field where we can add our URL. And that's how we get our Dofollow link, meaning Google will take it into account to help our website gain points. Plus, this link is powerful as the domain authority is 51. At Prolynken, we have more free links like this and a community of people for link exchanges between bloggers, so don't miss out. See you in more videos.